Greetings to you. I'm John Carter, the CEO of the DESIGNEFX companies, and I'm sharing a new service from my sister company for training, EFX. It's called EFX eLearning. As a former educator, trainer, and workshop facilitator, I've used my regular daily exposure and familiarity with multiple technologies to train my graphic design clients in the skills that I provide for them when they opt not to continue to contract me to do those things for them any longer. But what I've noticed is that there are many technologies users not in business are not very proficient in that people like me take for granted. This is the core premise behind EFX eLearning. For the price of a 35-hour, 1-hour consult, the client will receive an hour-long training tutorial in one of the many technologies I work in, such as introduction to social medias, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., or more involved tutorials such as proper application of the aforementioned in business like I do with my clients. The ultimate goal being to expose my learners in stronger confidence in using the technology. Let's face it, technology exposure is not moving any slower these days, so we need to be as familiar as possible with what's out there so that we don't get left behind. So this is a way for my training arm to be the forefront of that initiative. For more information, please reach out to the contact information attached to this video and schedule your e-learning consult.